Hi. I did a curve basic tutorial just before, but I think there's a couple commands that hotkeys that I missed it, which is pretty important. So I just wanna explain about that a little more. So like I said, we learned. I taught you a polyline and basic command that usually most architecture student or architecture professions are using it. But then these the below bend, make 2D and hatch and contour and join is very most popular hotkey that a lot of people using it. So I want to explain that as well. So the bend command. So bend is working actually in different way, but if it's working with line based object and surface based object except the mesh based object. So now I'm going to talk about a line with the bend. So you just create the line and then type bend command, or my command is bn enter, and then click enter one more time, and then click the very first reference point, and then click the other reference point that you want to move it out, and click, and you can actually bend the curve in a very crazy way. Yeah, which is not good for your computer because you create more control point, which means computer takes more time to calculate it. But then it's sometimes very useful when you're working with a very organic shape of like a line or surface, I guess. And if I show you that how that's working in the surface, and just I go to front view and type bend or B, you see your surface bending. I can bend even the other way. So that's the bend command, and I got hatch and contour join, right? So hatch is very simple. So I'm gonna draw a rectangle in here by typing REC. So maybe I'll just make it more realistic way. So let's say you have a wall, and you have wall somewhere, right? And you want to fill it out with the hatch like you did in the AutoCAD or in Illustrator. AutoCAD, I mean Rhino 6, you just type hatch or HA enter, and then you need to select the first where you want to hatch it, and then type HA or hatch, and then you can select the hatch type, and you can even give a thick or the gap or pattern scale, and if you give more number, and then your pattern scale is changing, you see, and you can even change the rotation of the angle. So if I change the angle 45-degree pattern, whatever you wanted it, which is pretty awesome tool to create something else that I don't know what you can do with this. This is, I think this is okay function for me. And then contour and join. Okay, contour is like imagine that you have surface. Usually contour working in the surface, so you got a surface, and you type CTR, my command, and then contour you can type full command, and then let's make it scale SC enter, click, make it 10 meter. Okay, just imagine I'm gonna give a contour line from here to that direction every 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter. Type it, enter, and you create this contour line, which is awesome when you create actual contour of the site. Imagine, okay, click surface WW or F10, enter, and you see the control point, and you drag it, you drag that. This is not enough, I guess, so I'm gonna create better contour with the geometry I'm creating it. Okay, so I just make a couple of boxes come in, and then I'm not gonna teach you how to create geometry for this session, but I'm just so make a box by typing box and then go to top view, and then I'm gonna use drape command. Spacing 10. 100. Drape spacing 100. Now I've got some contour. Let's say this is a mountain, and then you have like a street and whatever, and then you want to make a contour line, and you type contour or CTR and give a direction from that direction, that direction. This is very moving. You want it to the perpendicular to the Z direction, and you need to click shift button, press shift button, and then click top, and then maybe 1 meter. Every 1 meter I'm gonna make a contour and type 1 meter and then enter. Ta-da! If I delete this surface, you have a contour line. So this is contour command, and you got join. But before I'm talking about contour, so now you just create the contour line with the from the surface, but you just drag everything and then type plane or planar surface, and you can create, see, you can create all the surface, and even you can give a thickness of it. Now this is just surface, so I'm gonna select all the surface by typing SES and FFS, enter, and offset surface. I'm gonna give 5.5 millimeter, enter, and it's giving actual thickness of the contour. Go to front view, and then you see, okay, I supposed to have the 1 meter button. This is pretty awesome function that I really enjoyed in it. Okay, then we were still in curve command. So join command. Imagine that you have a curve that unjoined it, and you want to join that one. So you need to type join, click, enter. Oh, you just joined it. Join. Sorry. Okay. Join. Click. It's not really joining. Join. Click. Yeah, you join it. See, this is not joining. If it is too far away from each other, sometimes it's not working. So you need to very close to look how far that command is, how far from each other. If it is close enough to join it, you can join it. And then offset, I can offset like whatever, FF, enter, click 10/100, enter, click. So by type FF and offset command, and there's an interesting command that you might wanna like it. So tween between two curve. So you're just creating the one curve right in between this curve and that curve. So click, 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 enter. And you have perfect center line of the curve. I think this is we got so far. Have fun with the Rhino. Bye.